Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Forex Reserve. India's foreign exchange reserves are rising and are slated to hit the $500 billion mark. In the month of May, Forex Reserve jumped by almost $12.4 billion to an all-time high of $493 billion. In India's terms, in India's currency, it is around 37.3 lakh crore. Now what exactly is the foreign exchange reserve? The foreign exchange reserves are also called as forex reserves or FX reserves. These are the reserve assets held by a central bank in the foreign currency. These are used to back liabilities on their own issued currency as well as to influence the monetary policy. Now we will try to understand what are the components of this foreign exchange reserve. The first component is foreign currency assets. These are maintained in currencies like US dollar, euro, pound sterling, Australian dollar and Japanese yen. The second component is gold. The third component is SDR, special drawing rights in IMF. This is the reserve currency with IMF. The fourth is reserve tranche position RTP in IMF. This is the reserve capital with IMF. The reserves are denominated and expressed in the US dollar. India's forex is governed by RBI under the RBI Act of 1934. The level of foreign exchange reserve is largely the outcome of RBI's intervention in the foreign exchange market. Now, most obvious question is why are the forex reserve rising despite the slowdown in the economy? The major reason is the rise in investment in the foreign portfolio investors in the Indian stocks and foreign direct investment FDIs. On the other hand, the fall in the crude oil prices has brought down the oil import bill, saving the precious foreign exchange. Now, for an economy, what is the importance of foreign exchange or forex? Reserves are held for maintaining liquidity and allowing time to absorb shocks in the situations where access to borrowing is curtailed or are very costly. It provides confidence that the authorities are committed to the timely discharge of external obligations and to supporting the value of local currency. It is an important component of balance of payment and an essential element in the analysis of economy's external position. This is all about the foreign exchange reserves. Hope you like the lecture. Thank you very much.